Hello YouTube, I just received a packet from Ukraine, Poltava Diamond Tools. A diamond plate and a bunch, can you see that? 6 containers of diamond paste. This is diamond paste, 16,000 grit. Look how professionally packaged. It was insanely good packaged. I haven't opened this though, let's see. Is it powder? Diamond paste. It's supposed to be 15,000 grit. So 6 of those, that will probably last me a lifetime. I don't know the Ukrainian, but you have the carat here. Even with the diamond plate, I am not sure it looks double-sided. It's extremely well machined, chamfered sides. This actually looks better than my Atoma. This is FEPA 550 grit. It's supposed to be like 1000 Japanese. It feels like this. This doesn't feel like diamond. I can't describe it. It feels so amazing. Is it double-sided? So yeah, PDTools. Amazing. I'm gonna try my Kaiser in S35VN. Look what was with it. It's code, it's a batch number, weight in carats, 186 carat. Imagine that in a ring. Specification of its powder, how it's bonded, its concentration. Just amazing. It screams quality. But so I'm gonna use the non-printed side up. And I don't for today, so I'm just using a paper towel. Just to get something so it doesn't move. It says, let's see, it's intended for manual sharpening, finishing of knives, razor blades, chisels, etc. Sharpening, finishing is to be done with soapy foam or water. So I think I'm gonna use just 2 little drops of dishwashing liquid and a couple of drops of water, just to smooth it out. That feels smooth. I haven't felt diamond like this ever. It's literally so smooth. I need something to cut into to remove the edge. Let's see, do I have a stone here? Sorry for rambling. My green brick, Autoshi. Once, twice, 3 times a lady. Let's see, just moving that aside, wiping it off. It basically starts there. I need to do it again. A little more. Once, 3 times more. Want you to make sure this is completely dull to test the abrasiveness of the diamond. And I'm gonna compare this. Yep, there's it all. Can I? Well, it's done. I'm gonna compare this to a Japanese 1000 grit, since that's what it nearly is. Let's see, using barely any weight. Damn, that feels smooth. That feels weird to be diamond. It feels like a stone. Holy crap, that feels nice. And I can't speak of longevity, how long these plates will last, because I don't know. This is my first time using it. But this feels 1,000 times better than a Toma or a DMT or anything like that. And it's quick. I'm already telling this will make a screaming edge. Yeah. Just, yeah. I'm speechless. Let me see, I sharpen that side. Am I already at the burr? Ooh-wee. I'm just gonna find my strop. I don't even know if I need one. Am I already at the burr? Just let me dilute the soap. I added a little too much soap. Yeah, I want more. This is ridiculously good. The Toma is a joke to sharpen on compared to this. It's it's dead flat. I can see that by how it moves the water. Yep, I got a burr. And look at that, it isn't even a coarse scratch pattern. It looks like I've used maybe a 600 or 800 grit Japanese, since this hasn't got any polished. Holy crap, that's amazing. This feels so smooth. It's slicker than my Diamentowa Professional 1000. I'm not kidding. It's slicker than that. It's like sharpening on glass. It feels like my natural stone in smoothness. Ain't anything. I can't feel anything on the edge. It's so incredibly smooth. Holy hell. I didn't know it could feel like this to sharpen on diamond. If I known this, I will never go back to whetstones. If I can get this. I mean, yeah, come on. I hope this will last a long time. It looks like quality through and through. Am I at the burr? A little more. It's hard to tell. Just touching the belly a little. Adding a little water. And this is probably the best feeling stone or plate, or call it whatever you want, I've ever had. Is that a burr? I think it is. I'm gonna try finishing here. Using lightest pressure. I haven't used pressure at all. I'm actually using less pressure than the knife. It got so damn quick. And this is S35VN. Just trying to minimize the burr. That's probably the hardest on diamond since it cuts so effective. I'm not gonna go to the strop, I'm gonna go straight from the stone. Again, just stropping here. We're at 11 minutes. That's scary. My finger, no. It's just saying no. Trust me, it isn't usual that my fingers say stop, you're stupid. Oh my god! Oh! I'm nearly starting to cry. That's without any stopping. Not anything at all. Wet paper. That's a flawless edge. I need a little more here. I'm actually just making sure I haven't got a burr. And this is a one stone, does it all. Amazing. This actually feels like 1,000 Japanese, maybe even finer than my Diamentowa Pro. Holy hell! Where has this diamond plates been? I mean, I'm not saying this. I got this free, 100% honest. I haven't paid anything. But you know me, if I don't like it, I say it. So, this is amazing. It feels... yeah, it feels crazy. Knife Sharpening Norway, in love with PDTools. I'm gonna link their site. Poltava Diamond Tools. This is amazing. PDTools. I'm in love with this. Totally in love. So I hope this lasts. I will literally hate to be without this. This is an extremely good tool. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share the channel. I'm literally emotional here. That's how good this is. That's a damn quality product. So yeah, I'm in love. Bye.